Good day! Are you ready for our art project today? Welcome to Everyday Fun Coloring. With watercolor, we will create another amazing artwork. Please like and share this video with your friends. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to get my latest video every day.